Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve a common Windows 11 issues you are having with your laptop being plugged in but not charging problem. Let's fix that issue guys. For that you just need to go to device manager over here, go to search menu and type device manager, open it. So guys, I'm actually in a PC but I'm having it battery section. You just want to expand the battery section over here and right click on the battery listed over here, right click on it and click uninstall device and click uninstall guys. After doing this you just need to close out of here. Don't be panic guys of uninstalling this. Actually this will automatically download battery adapter after you shut down or restart. Don't be panic guys. After uninstalling that, go ahead and shut down your laptop entirely and unplug the power cable from your laptop. If your laptop does have a removable battery, you should remove the battery and plug back in guys. That can hopefully that can able to resolve your problem. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.